Today's video is brought to you by cruiseline.com and Shipmate app. Did you know you can research and book your excursions right in the Shipmate app? Click on Explore, choose your port, and browse excursions by destination. It's super simple to read reviews from real cruisers and book your activities right in the app.
Hey cruisers, welcome on board MSC Meraviglia. Today we're going to show you how we organize our cabin. Now we've done tons of these videos before, so if you have seen some of our cabin organization videos, you're going to see a lot of similarities. Now with that said, if you want to keep watching, let's do this thing. We're going to go ahead and start with the sofa bed right here. This is such a nice, comfortable, two-person bed. Junior editor has been sleeping in here alone. He's had plenty of space, but it pulls right out, and then during the day it tucks right away. Over here, our first organizational area is one of two nightstands that they have here in the cabin. Junior editor just has his Kindle in here, and then I have my sleep mask. We haven't even used the shelf on the bottom because there's just no real need for it. There's another identical one over on the other side of the bed that we'll show you really quickly, but I don't think there's a whole lot in there other than Mr. Cruise Tips TV's reading glasses and things like that. So as you can see, we are lucky. We have tons of space in this cabin. This is called a deluxe suite here on MSC Meraviglia. So now we're going to draw your attention to where we keep most of our stuff, which is in sort of this vanity desk area kind of by the TV. So we're going to flip around this way and start with our usual charging area. So this is the area where we charge all of our devices. As you can see, we have a non-surge power strip. These are allowed on this ship. And then we have a USB charging hub. This is a Key Power brand, which we will link to in the description. As you can see, it has space for 6 different devices to charge. And then we're kind of supplementing with this one here. So our phones are plugged in now. Lots of great outlets in this cabin. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So this main drawer that I'm about to direct your attention to here is where I'm keeping so much of my stuff. I've got my all my cables for charging. I have the little purse that I've been carrying by day. I have my curling iron and all the stuff to do my hair with, a bag of sanitizing wipes, and this is a makeup bag that I've actually been using as a little miniature purse for dinners. It's been working out great. Cabin Essentials bag, the hair dryer that came with the room, my jewelry is in here, my medicine bag. We just have a lot going on in this particular drawer. So it's just nice and convenient. I really like how easily it pulls out. Okay, now we're going to show you what's going on over here. I actually have kept my wall mount itinerary on top of my organization binder. You guys will be very happy to know we filmed an entire episode on how to organize one of these binders, and that's coming to you very soon, if not already. But I'm keeping that out, and I actually did not bring wall mount magnets on this cruise. So I'm just keeping my itinerary in the front of the binder and kind of referencing it. And as we make new reservations, I'm just writing things in. So it's been pretty good. As you can see, giant TV in this room. It's really cool. I'm keeping a little notepad here next to the phone. Nothing too exciting there, but just a place to write notes and our room steward's phone number, all that good stuff. Okay, right here we have a huge bank of drawers. Check this out. They are so generous with their drawer space. So top drawer is just my clothes. There's nothing too exciting here. We've got swimsuits and smaller items here, and then jeans, larger items there, and then junior editor's clothes are down here. But there's another closet that has the great majority of our stuff. Okay, the chocolates on this cruise we've been getting left on our pillow every night are so amazing that I've actually just been storing them in this little jar so we can take them home. They're Venki brand, which is phenomenal Italian chocolates. We're really happy with that. So of course that's critical storage tip. Keep your chocolate in a cup, right? All right, over here you can just see that they've got all kinds of water and things out and coffee for our coffee maker. But I do want to show you the mini fridge, the mini bar. If you're cruising with MSC, the mini bar is included in the Yacht Club category of cabins. So we did not have our mini bar emptied this time. A lot of times we'll have everything removed, but since everything's included, we just asked for more of what we like, which is Diet Coke and snacks and sparkling water, club soda, and then we kind of left the fridge alone. We didn't have it emptied. All right, over here we have some really interesting kind of sliding shelving, which I've never seen on a cruise. I really hope this is a trend for the cruise industry because these sliding shelves are super cool. Check this out. Okay. So on the top sliding shelf, we're keeping my carry-on bag. This was actually my personal item that I took on the plane. And then if we go down a little lower, this is my backpack area for shore days. So I've just put my sunglasses here and my backpack, and we're kind of just putting the big bulky things here. Again, because we have so much storage in the closet. And then that is Junior's backpack. Super nice storage in this room. Okay, so now we're gonna head over to the main closet area, and then we'll close it out by showing you the bathroom. So come this way. All right. We are going to look at this side first. This is just some shelf storage with a little mini safe in it. Can you see that okay, Mr. Cruise Tips TV? Up here, we've got Mr. Cruise Tips TV's backpack. I know the light in here is really bad. Sorry about that, folks. And then just our packing cubes slid right onto the shelves, and the same theme going down here. Tripod, then we have our little mini safe and a bathrobe, and at the very bottom is my shoes and slippers. Okay. Now for the other side. Now this side is the hanging portion of the closet. So dark in here. So sorry, everybody. Okay, we're gonna have to shimmy and do a little dance to get you guys in here with us. Okay, so this side of the closet is mine and Junior editor's stuff, and there went one of my shirts. The hangers in these closets are super slippery. They're really nice, like big bulky wood hangers, but they're really slick. So as you can see, all of my dresses, shirts, Junior's stuff, and then our bathrobes, and then Mr. Cruise Tips TV is on this side. And then if you can kind of pan down, you can see that we have a hamper. And this is a spot for Mr. Cruise Tips TV's shoes. Try to get you in there. Shoes and slippers. He's got his sneakers on his feet, so that's what's missing. So yeah, really nice closet space. They were more than happy to bring us some extra hangers. And now we're gonna jump into the bathroom. The first thing you're gonna see hanging on the back of the door is my good old E-Bags packet flat toiletry bag. You've seen it half a dozen times before in these types of videos, but here it is. It holds all the little things that we need to travel with. A lot of this stuff gets taken out and put on the counter, but I do leave it hanging because we keep some items just packed up in it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the shelf storage on this side of the bathroom. Okay, pretty typical mirror storage. Here I have my TSA bags. I took a few items out. I put my shampoo in the shower, things like that, put some things on the shelves, but some of it I just left in. Things that we may not need, but that we brought along anyway, like sunscreen and bronzer and extra little things that we don't use that much. I just kind of left them up there. And then as you can see, we've just taken the rest of our toiletries out and put them here on the shelves, and they're kind of mixing with the stuff that MSC provides. As always, I use the other glass provided to put all my lipstick in. I really like keeping my lipstick in the bathroom so I can kind of put it on in a nice, well-lit mirror. So that's what these are. And then standard toothbrushes and all that good stuff. And then the last thing I want to show you in the bathroom is just the under cabinet storage. So this is where I'm keeping my makeup. That's really all that's there is my makeup bag. Ample storage that we don't really need. And that pretty much wraps up how we're organizing our cabin. I do want to show you the shower just because it's so pretty. There's really no organizational tips to offer you because you're just going to see my razor and my shampoo and conditioner over there. But that's how we roll. This is a 7-night cruise. So we don't have a ton of stuff, and we packed carry-on only, so we packed pretty light. But we hope that you've enjoyed this look around the cabin and a little bit of a glimpse into how we keep things organized in our room. I know this wasn't the glam tour. We're not super uptight about how things are put away. We just like them to be functional. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that we can keep you posted on all of our travels. And make sure to follow Cruise Tips TV on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you so much for joining us on board MSC Meraviglia. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.